The legal department at Bitrise fundamentally helps Bitrise grow in every dimension. We work with all the departments and we help the business and the technology and R&D and roadmap teams and the management team all think through both business and legal issues in order to structure things from a legal standpoint in a way that helps everything grow. So we're fundamentally a legal department that is focused on growth. We do that by carefully thinking through and being a collaborative partner with every part of the company, from the senior management down to everybody else in the entire company. From my perspective, the single most important part of being a member of the legal team is that we are always informed. We're informed about the law, we're informed about what the company's doing, we're informed about our industry. We're always curious, we're always asking questions, we're always thinking ahead. We are thinking, to use a sports analogy, to where, if you're an ice hockey player, to where the puck is going, not where it is now. So you're always skating to where you need to be. And that's how we run this legal department. In terms of the structure of the legal department, right now it's one person internally and an incredible collection of outside law firms in Europe and the United States. The matters that we cover are everything you can imagine, from intellectual property issues, patent, trademark, copyright, trade secret, contracting issues, Bitrise corporate matters, HR, everything that you would expect that a company will handle. The core of Bitrise, of course, is the customer contracts that we have. That's where we generate our revenue. And so a very high priority for the legal department is always to be supporting and being proactive about closing business deals that generate revenue for the company. So we always prioritize that. It requires a lot of careful analysis and balancing because we need the business issues covered, we need the legal issues covered for a specific deal, but also in the context of where Bitrise needs to go and in light of potential future financings and all sorts of issues that mean that we bring both a focus on the immediate deal and a larger perspective of how the whole company is structured and where it's going. So it's an exciting place to be because you bring all these different pieces of the puzzle in to everything that you're doing, and all the parts of the company are integrated. And the legal contracts are sort of the skeletal structure around which everything else is built. We need to be very informed, we need to be curious, we need to be smart, we need to be focused, and we need to be proactive. I expect the legal department will grow by bringing in a set of legal team members internal to the department who will be doing a lot of work ourselves and also interfacing with our law firms. Our issues cover everything from Hungarian local law to GDPR and privacy issues around the world, information governance, legal contract issues, primarily cloud related in the SaaS industry. Our customers are very sophisticated, have smart legal and security teams, and making sure that our contracts, which are long-term partnership contracts, we need to think of them not just as here's what gets the deal closed, but here's how this relationship will grow over time, means that we need to structure the legal terms in a way that they can grow with the relationship, which I think is one of the really exciting aspects of this type of deal, is that you are building a long-term relationship and the contractual structure needs to reflect that. And that means that we need to be respectful of the interests of both parties, which is a hallmark, I think, of what we do, is that we approach contracts in a way that is a win-win for both sides.